Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Biodance Hydro Cera Nol Real Deep Mask. So it's received 4.4 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Discover the ultimate skincare transformation with Biodance Hydro Cera Nol Real Deep Mask. Made from high purity glacial water rich in minerals, it enhances the absorption of active ingredients and forms a moisturizing film on the skin. Infused with cutting edge technology, this mask delivers unparalleled hydration, penetrating deep into your skin to restore moisture balance and reinforce your skin's natural barrier. Imagine waking up to a complexion that feels refreshed, rejuvenated, and visibly plumper. Whether you're battling dryness, dullness, or fine lines, this deep mask offers a luxurious solution, giving you the confidence to face the world with radiant, youthful skin. It turns transparent as it absorbs the active ingredients. It becomes transparent when applied for more than 3 hours, delivering active ingredients into the skin. It's free from allergens and 19 other harsh ingredients, and this is safe for even those of you with the sensitive skin type. So how exactly do you use it? If you're applying it at night, you're going to apply the mask at the end of your skincare routine and leave it on overnight. Remove the mask the next morning after a good night's sleep. If you want to use it in the daytime, after preparing the skin with toner or serum, apply the mask and leave it on for 3 to 4 hours until it becomes transparent. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.